so excited to be a partner of RealWear by being able to bring solutions that differentiate greatly. Our solutions range anywhere from AR as an interface to bring IoT analytics to basically industrial connected workers, all the way down to unified communication is the most common term used, basically connecting people with remote experts. These devices, such as RealWear, are now empowering the connected worker. They're actually bringing the control room, the analytics, and the power of fast and high quality solutions, empowering the connected worker in the field. So I think the transformation, it's already started, and that transformation brings a revolution not only for Industry 4.0 and a revolution to field workers, but a revolution of the connected worker with embedded intelligence.